One island. Two nations. The end of this story is shocking. If you know the story, there are clues to let you know where we are headed with this incredible story. And a border drawn by booze, bravado, and maybe a little seduction. You are going to want to stick around for this. Legend says that in the 17th century, a Frenchman and a Dutchman decided to divide the island of St. Maarten in the most peculiar way possible, a walking race. They started back to back at Oyster Pond. The Frenchman walked north along the coast, and the Dutchman walked south. The rules were simple. Where they met on the other side would become the new border. But there was a twist. Before they set off, they toasted to their endeavor. The Frenchman chose a fine French wine, while the Dutchman opted for a strong Dutch gin. As they began their long walk, the gin started to take its toll on the Dutchman. He grew tired more quickly, needing frequent rests. He began to wonder if he would ever make it to Verdrag. Some versions of the story say he was so slowed down by the potent spirit that he took several naps along the way. The Frenchman, fueled by the lighter wine, maintained a steady and energetic pace, covering ground much faster. He knew he would get a better trait for his country. But there's another spicier version of this tale. It claims the Frenchman's secret wasn't just the wine. As he walked, he took time to charm the local ladies he met along his path. These friendly encounters, some say, helped him secure a larger portion of the territory. Meanwhile, the Dutchman, perhaps less charming or simply more focused on his gin, didn't make the same connections. When they finally met again, the Frenchman had walked a much greater distance, claiming the larger northern part of the island for France, which is why today, the French side, Saint Maarten, is significantly bigger than the Dutch side, Sint Maarten. So, is this incredible story of a drunken foot race true? Well, it's a fantastic tale, one that locals and tourists love to tell over a glass of rum. It perfectly captures the island's unique, blended culture. However, the historical reality is a bit more sober. The border was actually established by the Treaty of Concordia, signed on March 23, 1648, atop Mount Concordia. The French and Dutch colonists, having driven off the Spanish, decided it was better to coexist peacefully than to fight over the island. There was no race, no gin, no seduction, just a pragmatic agreement to share. Even so, the legend of the walk is far more fun, isn't it? It adds a layer of myth and personality to the island's history. It's a story that's become part of St. Maarten's identity, a testament to its playful and vibrant spirit. Whether you believe in the treaty or the tipsy trek, one thing is certain: St. Maarten is an island where history and legend dance together under the Caribbean sun. Which version do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world.